Hello fams, stop playing. YouTube is going to make you rich if you do it the right way. Like if you're consistent with YouTube, if you're patient with YouTube is going to make you rich. With the title of this video, you can already tell what this video is all about. Okay, so we're going to be talking about this video right here. We're going to be analyzing this video. We're going to be seeing how much this video has generated for me so far since I got monetized. This video initially wasn't monetized because it started going viral before my monetization. Before my monetization, this video was about 9k views, 9,000 views to 9,000, close to 10,000 views. Yeah. So since I got monetized, that is late last year, this video has generated a lot of dollars for me, even when the CPM and RPM of this video was very low. Yes, there was a time the CPM and RPM of this video was so low. I was not like, why would this video even go viral in the first place when the CPM and RPM is this low? I do not like this. I want to make more. This video as of today has gotten 22,000 views. Yeah, 22,000 views, and we're going to be going through the analytics of this video to see how much we have made so far from this video in the space of, I think, 2 months. Yeah, after my monetization. So follow me, let's dive right into it. I'm going to be looking at my screen, so pardon me if you see me looking down. So as you can see from the video performance, this video is ranking by views 1 of 10, and the views so far is 22.7k. all right, I'm going to be putting it down around here so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, then the impression click-through rate is 5.1%. before it was way below this, and I'm happy that it went up. Then the average view duration is 4.42. So let's dive right into more analytics of this video. Okay, so from this place you can see that the video has gotten 22,732 views so far. The watch hour I have generated from this video is 1k watch hours, 1,000 watch hours. That is massive. And we have gotten subscriber count of 608. Okay, so top traffic sources, we have the browse feature, the YouTube search, other YouTube features, suggested videos, direct or unknown, then the external. Let's go to the reach of this particular video. As for the reach, it has gotten impression of 334,800k impression. My goodness, that is impressive. External sites and apps recommending this video, we have WhatsApp, we have whatsapp.com, we have Gmail, we have WhatsApp Business, Google Search, YouTube, Google and Yahoo Search, Creator Studio, and a whole lot of them. YouTube search terms, we have Restream, we have Restream tutorial, we have how to restream a live stream and others. Now, content suggesting this video, we have how to restream by I've forgotten his name. What is that his name again? How do I forget his name? Okay, we also have Vibe with Sonia. We have Asinia, this guy, I don't know his name, I've forgotten again. So we also have this other lady. Okay, now all of them talked about Restream on this video. So for the engagement, the average view duration is 2.42. The audience that are watching this content, this video, we have returning viewers of 664. Then age brackets from 18 to 24, 8.1%, 25 to 34, 61.9%, 35 to 44, 26%, 45 to 54, 4%. Okay, gender that are watching this, we have both male and the female are watching this content. Now, top geographies, we have Nigeria, United States, and United Kingdom. We also have more, I think. Yes, we have Kenya, and we also have Ghana, but Nigeria is topping the charts. Okay, watch time from subscribers, just 89% not subscribed. So all my subscribers, cumulatively watching this video is just 2%. Please, we can do better. Please, you guys should be watching my videos. Thank you. And now the cocoa, what you have been looking for, yeah, the revenue aspect. You can see $40.02. That's what we've made so far from this video. Oh my goodness. Do you know what $40.02 is in Nigeria? It doesn't seem a lot for some people, but this is massive for a small channel like mine with below 2,000 subscribers. So this is a huge milestone and achievement for me. Okay, for every 1k view, the RPM is 1.77. Can you believe that this video was having 0.93? Yes, as its RPM. When I got monetized, the RPM of this video was 0.93 cents. Like, it wasn't even up to $1. So with this push, I'm pretty much sure that was why I got up to $40 on this particular video. Okay, so advertisers are willing to pay $10.19 for each 1,000 view I get on this channel, which is the CPM, and CPM is cost per mil. Okay, earnings by ads type, we have both the skippable, the display ads, the bumper ads, and the non-skippable ads. So that is pretty much it. Now, answer me, do you think YouTube is worth it? If you can make like $40 from one particular video, don't you think you are made, I don't want to say made for life, but you are in the right path? Yeah, because this can only get better. Imagine people having about 1 million views, 300 and something thousand views on their channel, on their video, on each video. The likes of Mr. Beast, do you see his views? Do you guys see the views he has on his channel? My goodness, you all shouldn't sleep on YouTube. It's going to pay you if you give it your all. All right, I'll kindly plead you like this video, subscribe and turn on post notification, and please tell me if you're monetized. Drop it below this video, and if you are yet to be monetized, drop it below this video and tell me how I can help you to get monetized easier. All right, so, and I have actually made a video on how to use Restream if you're trying to get your monetization faster, and the right way to do it. Make sure you click on this video up here to get all you need to know about using Restream and using it the right way to complete your 4,000 watch hours. So without further ado, I'll be leaving you at this juncture. See you on the next one. Yeah, I'll be sharing amazing tips and tricks for you to go viral. I love you.
In every home, there's a